Well, good morning, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome to Triotech Software Trainings to everyone. Team, I request everyone to be on the mute so that we can take up the session forward. So, before starting the session today, I want to inform you that considering the privacy of the participants joining today, like we have the participants joining across different countries, team, for this demo. So we have highlighted out the participants joining in the batch today. So probably no one might be seeing the list of participants that who is in the meeting. And considering the size of the population joined for the demo, we request everyone to park your questions. Like it will be difficult for me to take up the questions in between as we have the session planned out for next 1 hour or 1 hour 20 minutes, team. So I request everyone to please park your questions at your end so that at the end of the session, I will be discussing with you detailedly one-on-one, whatever the questions that you have with respective to today's demo and also with respective to the career-wise opportunities what you have in this technology. Like anything that you want to discuss with me, I will be available after the session so we can discuss one-on-one in the Q&A session, team. So please park your questions, note down them, and we will discuss at end of the session. So I request everyone to be on mute so that we can start the session for today, team. So that's all that I want to share with you before starting the session for today. So once again, team, a warm welcome to everyone for attending the today's demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications. So my name is Kumar and I'm the trainer for Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So before starting today's demo, so let me introduce briefly about myself, who I am, what is the experience that I have in this technology, and since when I'm working in this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Let me briefly introduce about myself, team. So about trainer. So as I told you, my name is Kumar and I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 14 years of industry experience, team. Out of that, 12 plus years of experience I'm having into this IT consulting. And from the last 7 plus years, I've been part of this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. Prior to that, I've been working for Oracle's existing ERP in the market, that is e-business suite, and some of the PeopleSoft projects also I've been part of. But since last 7 plus years, I'm extensively part of this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications implementations in the market. And I worked for close to 10 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects that the clients covering from different countries. Like I worked for the clients from US, UK, Australia, Finland, and Middle East countries also, team. Like the clients that I work for the projects are from these different countries. So I can say that I have multi-country exposure in this particular Oracle Fusion HCM cloud implementations. And I'm also a corporate trainer and I delivered close to 25 plus trainings to several companies across the market, team. Like corporate trainings means I will be conducting the trainings for the employees for a particular companies, like who using these applications to upskill their employees. I have delivered close to 25 plus corporate trainings, team. And also I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys and E&Y employee. And currently also I'm working for a company and I'm working on a global client implementation team. And as I told you, I've been certified in all the modules of Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications. And I'm also an official trainer in Oracle University, where I conducted several trainings in this HCM area directly with Oracle University as well, team. Okay. So let me move on to today's agenda. This is in brief about myself, my qualification and my experience in this particular technology, team. So let me quickly move on to the agenda for today, team. Okay. So what we are going to discuss in today's session. Okay. So first of all, team, I want to introduce to you what is ERP. Why? Because our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications comes under ERP family team. So I want everyone to be known what is ERP, what are the different products that are available in the market under this category, and what is the usage of this ERP applications in the market. I will introduce to you that concept here, team. Why? Because participants attending the session today, we are having a mixed population team. Like some are already experienced people working in other ERP technologies like PeopleSoft, eBusiness Suite, JD Edwards, and now planning to move to Oracle Fusion. And some of you are freshers. Some are college passed out freshers are there in the session today. Some are into non-IT, working for some other domains, like working as a sales consultants or marketing agents or HR recruiters, planning to switch your career into this technology. So considering every participant in the meeting today, I want to take few minutes to explain you what is ERP, what is this Oracle Fusion applications is about. And I will talk about Fusion applications evaluation overview team, like in which year Oracle introduced these products in the market and what is the evaluation path. Like prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the products that Oracle having in the market and what is Fusion application is about. That introduction about our Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application, I will be talking here, team. Then I will be talking about types of companies involved. First of all, team, when we learning a particular technology or a course, we don't know where we will be landing upon, what is this application, who will use in the market, and what we will do once we learn this course and once we got the job in any IT company, what work we will do in that. So that understanding everyone should require, team, when you're learning any IT application or a software course. So here I will talk about who all are the companies involved in the usability of this application. Like who is client? Client means who will be selling the product and who will be implementing the product, in which company we will be starting our career. Okay. That all I will be talking here in types of companies involved. And then I will explain you Oracle Fusion environment releases. Means what is the versioning? Okay. What is the latest version of the Fusion application? When it launched in the market, what is the version they came up? And what is the upgradation policy that Oracle following to provide upgrade to their application? That I will talk here in Fusion environment releases team. And then I will explain you the course syllabus. First of all, not course syllabus, I will explain you what all are the modules we have in this technology. When I say Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application team, this application categorized into functional and technical. Like many of the participants priorly who contacted me about this technology, they used to ask me, Kumar, what is functional? What is technical? Which will be the best to start our career in this technology? And moreover, coding related question. Everyone having a question mark. Like without coding, do we have any software application to start our career into IT industry, right? That ice breaking I will do here when I'm explaining modules in Oracle HCM Cloud. So when I kept a picture here in our introductory slide, no coding required. The meaning is this technology is completely zero coding application team. So nowhere you will be writing the code. No prerequisites are required to learn this course. Like I don't know C language or C++ or Java, Python, or even SQL, PLSQL, any of these query languages or coding languages that I don't know. Absolutely fine team. Because this is an ERP application which is already designed and delivered by Oracle. We no need to write any code in the system to work on this application. So people who are having a constraint learning coding or learning any languages, absolutely fair enough team, it's not required. It's a zero coding application and a very good opportunity for people from non-IT who planning to move to IT, and also freshers who planning to switch from regular traditional education that what you perform and planning to switch to software or IT industry. This is one of the best technology rather team. So that I will cover here. What are the modules we have in this Fusion HCM cloud? And then I will also talk about team, the career opportunities in HCM. So learning the technology is not important. Landing upon a professional job is very important thing. So once we learn this course, what sort of opportunities are there in the market? What sort of packages for freshers or for experienced? And some of you might be planning to slightly amend your existing experience and you want to move to this technology. What sort of packages offered in the market and how good the demand is there for this product? And many people, when I used to discuss with students, the main question that students used to ask me is, Kumar, when we start our career in IT, we all have a conception or a kind of myth that in IT industry, for every 2 years or 3 years, the technologies will become outdated and we have to learn. It's a continuous learning process. Otherwise, we will be outdated in the market. So is your technology or application also the same kind of thing? It's absolutely no. So whenever you are starting your career in Oracle Fusion applications team, these will be having a very long lasting career in this industry because ERP products will be having 25 to 30 years of life at least in the market. So if you start your career now, you can retire in this technology only. No point of moving out to another technology. The demand is getting fluctuated, recession is getting impacted, no team. I'm not talking about only Oracle. Any ERP application in the market you take, there are different products offered by different companies. When you start your career in this ERP technologies, you won't be having any problems with your job security or any problems with the recession, no problem with any sort of demand that is getting deteriorated after the span of time, nothing. So there will be very long lasting career in this technology that I will talk here in career opportunities team. And if time permits today only, I will also take up the knowledge repository team. Like for every module of the application, Oracle standardly delivers the documents or the materials team. So where to access in the Google, where we have to navigate and get that documents that Oracle giving, that I will talk here in knowledge repository. Then I will explain you the certification process. So many of you asking me, Kumar, do we have to do certification to start our career in this technology? Again, absolutely no. It's not mandatory team. So what are all pros and cons? What is the certification process for Oracle Fusion applications? That all I explain here team. Then finally, we will be concluding the session by discussing the course offerings. What is this? What is the duration of the course? What will be the timings? What will be the placement assistance that you will be getting from our side? That I will explain here, team. So I request everyone, as it is a demo today, so considering the participants count and discussion of question and answers followed by my session, we will be extending the session a bit extra today, team. Probably we might be extending it for more 30 minutes. We planned for 1 hour, but as it is a demo, we might be extending it to more 30 minutes. I request everyone to please be on the session till last so that you will not miss the opportunity to understand what is this technology, how best fit this application to your career, and what will be the benefits or the discount that you will be getting for enrolling into this course with us, right team? So this is what the agenda that which I planned for today. Let me start the session with introduction to ERP team. So the very first topic that I'm going to take today will be introduction to ERP. What is ERP stands for team? ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. So what is this ERP team? ERP is a category or ERP is a family team. Under that ERP category, there are different products available in the market. For example, team, I will tell you with a scenario. You take any company in the market that you personally know, like you take Tata Group, you take Reliance Industries, L&T, Cisco, Apple, Amazon, Google, any company in the market you take team. In every organization, there will be different business processes involved. There will be a HR department or HR wing who will be taking care of all employee management in that organization. In any company, what the HR department will do, what will be their work in the company team. The HR department people are responsible for maintaining their employees in the organization, their hirings, recruitment, then their transfers, promotions, their leave management, their salary processing, performance appraisals. HR department people will take care. In every company team, there will be HR department, there will be finance department who will be handling the payables, receivables of the organization. Then there will be supply chain procurement wings team. If it is a manufacturing industry, the raw materials procurement and converting to finished goods and sending it to the market, that department. Then in every organization, there will be sales and marketing, advertising. So if a company have to run in the market, means different business processes are involved with team. HR people will perform HR activities. Finance department people will perform finance activities. Operations people will do supply chain and procurement. Like that, there will be different business processes involved with team. Now tell me, come to this human resource area team, because our applications are Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. HCM stands for Human Capital Management. It's a complete HR related software application team. What it will do, for example, come to HR department in any organization team. Let's say my client Tata, let's say a company called Tata Group is their team. So Tata is having, let's assume as of now, 20,000 employees working in their organization team. In order to maintain all that 20,000 employees data, their salaries, their leaves, their recruitments, everything, Tata company require a modular tech-based software application. You can ask me, Kumar, how come in traditional way it was happened? See, prior to the software applications team, everything used to maintain manual. If you know a small companies, even nowadays also team, if you are a small medium level company, like 10 employees company, 50 employees company, you can maintain manual. Like in your Excel, you can maintain, okay, 20 people working in my organization. These are the leaves taken, absent, present in the month. And this is the salaries I have to pay. Everything manually you can maintain. The traditional way is what thing? Maintaining in the books, Excels, Word, like that thing. But if a company is having 5,000 employees, 2,000 employees, or 10,000 employees company, you can't maintain all that activities manually, right? You can't maintain all the activities manually. So with the intervention of this ERP in the market team, these are the tech-based modular software applications available in the market to perform all these business functions team. So you can see the definition here. What is ERP team? It's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies, financials, supply chain, operations, reporting, manufacturing, and HR activities team. So ERP applications are nothing but team These are the tech-based modular business process management software applications team. And all these are integrated together team. So the HR, if they run the payroll and they have to pay salaries, means they have to send that information to finance, because finance people will release the payments. Then supply chain or operations people, if any vendors or suppliers, they want to get the products, they have to send that invoices to finance. All these are integrated together also team. So in order to conduct any business in the market team by any company, they require the modular software to conduct all these operations. So if you people are working in any companies currently, you might be receiving a HR portal from the organization, your company's portal, where you can apply your leaves when you are planning to take the leave, or every month you can check your pay slips and year-end documents you will submit. Okay. Then any benefits or any compensational related things you want, you can access from the portal, right, team? So Oracle Fusion HCM is something, it's a HR related software or the application team, which is used by the organizations in order to conduct or in order to do their HR related business activities team. So what is this application? It is a complete HR software application team, the HR related software application. So in any company, client or a company who buying this product from Oracle, they will be using this in their in-house HR department team, in their HR business area, in order to perform all HR related functions in the organization team. So this is about the concept of ERP. So here, some of the ERP products that are available in the market are listed team. So Oracle is offering Oracle Fusion Applications team, and Oracle also having Oracle E-Business Suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Oracle NetSuite. These all are also Oracle's ERP products in the market team. Like we have SAP, Salesforce, then Pegasus, Advanced thing, Northgate, okay, then Blackboard. These all are the different ERP products available in the market offered by different companies. And we also have Workday. So, okay, these all are counterparts for Oracle team. These all are different ERP products available in the market. So one such product that is offering by Oracle company is our Oracle Fusion Applications team. So in any company who will be using this HCM product team for performing the HR related functionalities in the organization, in order to perform their HR business activities, the companies will be using this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So this is about ERP. So our Fusion applications comes under ERP category or a family team. So ERP is not a product, it's a category. In that ERP category, there are different products in the market which is selling by different companies team. SAP is owned by SAP Corporation. Then Salesforce is owned by Salesforce entity. Then Oracle Fusion is owned by Oracle Corporation. Like that, different products available in the market team. Moving on to what is Oracle Fusion Applications team. Now I told you who will be using this product in the market. Then team, we will talk about now technically what is Oracle Fusion Applications team. So if anyone asks me this question, I will be describing Oracle Fusion Applications into three categories team. Like they built on open standard based platform, they built on best business processes, and they can be deployed through selection of options. What is this built on open standard based platform team? See, whatever that you are seeing in the red color bricks here team, Oracle SOA, service oriented architecture, WebLogic server, JDeveloper, OBIEE, then identity management. These all are the individual technical tools available in the market team. So the Oracle Fusion applications background schema is working on these technical components. This is just for information team. If anyone from middleware or technical background attending the demo today, you can understand. The Fusion applications backend technologies are all this. Just for info, I'm sharing this with you. Freshers and new people, just ignore this. This is only from the point of technical people to understand. And team built on best business processes. What do you mean by built on best business processes, team? See, whatever that you are seeing here, team, Oracle EBS, Oracle eBusiness Suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, what are all these things? Now we have to talk about here Oracle Fusion Evaluation Path. Move on to the next slide. To explain this built on best business processes, team, I have to talk about this concept, Fusion Evaluation Path. So team, whatever the products that you are seeing here, team, Oracle EBS, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, these all are the individual ERP products available in the market prior to 2006. Way back prior to 2016, all these are individual ERP products available in the market. What are they? Oracle eBusiness Suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards World, Siebel. These all are the individual ERP products available prior to 2006. Oracle eBusiness Suite is Oracle's own ERP application during that time. PeopleSoft is owned by PeopleSoft Corporation team. Then JD Edwards is owned by JD Edwards Corporation. Siebel is owned by Siebel Corporation. These all are the individual ERP products during prior to 2006. But during that time, there was a challenge in the market. What is that, team? None of the products in the market is very stable in all the business areas, team. If you take Oracle EBS, Oracle eBusiness Suite is very matured and very stable in finance business area, team. So Oracle eBusiness Suite will be very good at financials business area. Then Hyperion is very good at reporting area. Then Siebel is very good at CRM business area, customer relationship management, sales related area team. Then JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. And PeopleSoft is very good at HRMS, our HR related area team. So none of the applications during that time is very stable in all the business areas team. Okay. So what Oracle did in the year 2006, Oracle acquired all these products team with $18 billion acquisition. It's a very big acquisition during that time. In 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all these companies. I mean, all these products. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft from PeopleSoft Corporation. They acquired JD Edwards. They acquired Siebel. They bought all the existing ERP products in that during that time. And what Oracle did, team, it has taken up the best knowledge in the market, right? So from eBusiness Suite, it taken financials knowledge. From PeopleSoft, it took HR business knowledge. From JD Edwards, it took procurement and financial knowledge. And from Siebel, it took CRM knowledge. And what Oracle did, team, in the year 2006, it acquired all the products. And in the year 2011, Oracle introduced these Fusion applications into the open world. So why I kept this point, team? Oracle Fusion applications built on best business processes means what are the best of the best products during that time? Oracle taken the knowledge from all these products and they built the Fusion applications team. That is the reason now Oracle Fusion applications are very demanded products and very stable product in all the business areas. You take HCM, our product, very successful. Financials we have, supply chain we have, procurement we have. In all the business areas team, we can say proudly now Oracle Fusion applications are very successful, streamlined ERP product. That is the reason where many companies in the market buying this product for their in-house business usage team. That is the reason where the demand for this technology getting raised phenomenally. So where the resource crunch is there in the market. That is the reason the packages or the requirement of this technology is very high in the market currently, team. So they built on best business processes means that. And then team, they can be deployed through selection of options. We have on-premise and a cloud deployment options, team. What is that, team? On-premise means it's a traditional way. Okay, means if a company buying this product from Oracle team, if you are buying the license on an on-premise model, company have to buy application from Oracle. They have to buy the server from Oracle, install the server in their office premises, install that application into that server. They have to buy their data warehousing, that is storage, networking, and companies have to recruit the database administrator, system engineers, security admins for maintaining the application team. This is the old traditional deployment option. Deployment means if a company buying this product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered. On-premise is the old traditional model thing. We have to buy the application, buy the server from Oracle to run the application, install that in our office IT premises, and install the software in our laptop or desktop, and we have to run the application to use it. But team, Fusion applications now completely on a cloud-based technology. As we know, the entire future is driven towards cloud. What Oracle did was Oracle stopped on-premise model and Oracle offering Fusion applications completely on a cloud-based deployment team. Cloud-based means what? You no need to install the software anywhere in your laptop or desktop. So companies no need to buy any servers, networking, data centers, nothing. So a company can buy the subscription of the application and the application will be delivered team in the form of cloud-based. So if I have to show you team, so the application will be delivered like this, just in the form of URL. You can copy paste the URL in your browser and you can able to log in into the application team. Now see what it is prompting me, sign in Oracle Applications Cloud. So I can give my credentials, I can able to sign in team. So did I installing the application anywhere in the laptop, in my PC? Nothing team. So the Fusion applications now are purely on a cloud-based model. It's a URL-based team. A laptop or a desktop with basic configuration with good internet connection is sufficient to access this application team. That is the reason where many of the companies in the market moving towards the Fusion application. It's completely on a cloud basis. The risk or the maintenance, everything got mitigated where the companies can use it very flexibly in their day-to-day business operations team. That is the reason where many clients or the companies moving towards this Oracle cloud applications for their business operations team, for their HR, finance, everything. So when a customer buy the license from Oracle team, the application will be delivered just in the form of this URL. So they can copy paste it and they can try to search. Same like our Gmail team. You can go to the browser, you can type as Gmail, then you can log in into that and you can access it, right? Fusion applications also same. You can search with that URL. It will prompt us for sign-in page. We have to pass our user ID, password, and sign in. You can enter into the application team. That is what cloud-based technology means. Software hosted over the internet is called as cloud-based technology. So if anyone asks me what is Fusion applications team, I can tell them into these three aspects. Fusion applications can be best described into team. Okay. So by this time, what is this application? what it is going to serve in the company, we understood. What is this team? It's a complete HR related software application offering by Oracle. So any company buying this product from Oracle will use this application for their day-to-day HR activities in the organization team. Correct. Now moving on to types of companies involved. This is very important for everyone to understand. If you are already experienced in IT, people you know already this one thing. But freshers or non-IT people, I want everyone to be clear on this aspect. What is this team? Types of companies. What do you mean by types of companies team? There will be three companies typically involved in this technology. What are they? One is service provider. One is service provider. Okay. So one is service provider and the other one is client. And the third one is team consulting company. So these are the three companies typically involved in the usability of this application team. Who is service provider team? Service provider or vendor, nothing but who is selling the product. So this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications is owned by whom? Whose product it is team? It is owned by Oracle team. Oracle Corporation, okay, which is a US based company that is selling this product team. So Oracle Fusion Applications is owned by Oracle. So let's assume team, he is the service provider who's selling the product in the market. Oracle is selling the product. Then who is client team? I'm using the word client and going forward also every day in our classes, I will be mostly using the word customer client. What do you mean by client or customer team? Client means company who is purchasing this Oracle product from Oracle team. For example, Reliance Industries, Virgin Mobiles, L&T or Tata Group, anything team. Let's assume Reliance Industries buying this product from Oracle team because they want to use Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications in their HR activities in their company team. So Reliance Industries, what it doing? It is going to Oracle and it purchased that application from Oracle. So service provider is Oracle, client or the customer is Reliance Industry. From the point of buy and supply and buy, if you see team, client or the customer is nothing but who buying the product from Oracle team. Service provider means who is selling the product, who own this product. That is service provider. Let's suppose Oracle India team. Then here the main thing you should know. Consulting companies. The third type of companies involved is consulting companies. Who are they team? Companies who is implementing the product. So-called IT companies in the market. For example, Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant, Accenture, Capgemini, etc., Wipro, everything. These all are consulting IT companies in the market team. So the companies who is implementing the product for the client. So once Reliance bought the product from Oracle team, Reliance is not an IT company. They're into automobiles, they're into finance, they're into manufacturing, they're into retail, whatnot. But Reliance is not an IT company. Now, Reliance Industries bought the product from Oracle team, but they want someone to implement the product according to their requirement. So according to their business requirement, Reliance Industries requires someone to configure the application team. Why? Because when Reliance buy the product from Oracle team, they will be getting a blank product. The raw product Oracle will sell. Okay. So Reliance requires someone to configure the application according to their business requirement, like how many companies they are having across the globe. Then what are the different departments, what are the different operating units, what are different leaves and their calculations, what are the different salary components, compensation, performance appraisals, the entire process, we have to be designing team. So Reliance want someone to configure the system according to their requirement team. So what Reliance Industries will do, Reliance will reach to these software companies in the market, the consulting companies in the market team. So Reliance will give their project to these consulting companies like Deloitte, Techem, or whatever the IT companies in the market. The client or the customer will give their project to them. So these companies will implement the product according to their requirement team. Once we learn this technology and once we start our career in this technology, where we will land upon, here in the consulting companies, in these software companies, we will be starting our career. The roles will be different. I will discuss them. Like we have functional consultant, technical consultant. We have different roles team. So we will be working in these consulting companies. Once our company gets the project from the client or the customer, we will be deployed for that project and we will be working on end-to-end implementation of the product team. So these are the types of companies involved in any product. Here, some of you might get a question. Kumar, you are telling service provider is Oracle India. Then why you kept IBM, Deloitte, Accenture? Again, consulting companies only know these all are. See team, what Oracle is doing is every product Oracle can't sell. Let's suppose you take an example of iPhone team. Apple directly can't sell the iPhone for all users in the industry because they can't reach out to everyone, right? As a direct company who manufacturing the mobile, they only can't sell. They will give the vendors for different other entities also. You can buy the Apple phone in Bajaj Electronics. You can buy it in Big C. You can buy it in other mobile stores also. Correct? In Apple Store, you will buy, which is an authorized Apple store. But at the same time, the product you can even buy from other electronics also. Similarly, team, though Oracle Fusion applications are owned by Oracle Corporation, Oracle will sell directly and also Oracle will give their partnership to other IT companies in the market also to sell their product team. For that reason, Oracle will be giving like platinum partner, gold partner, silver partnership to the IT companies, depending upon their agreements, their sales conversion, etc. That is out of the box. You don't require that. So these are the three companies team involved in the in this application team. What are they? Service provider company, client company, and consulting company. So we will be working in consulting companies for the implementation of the product for our client or the customer team. So this is about types of companies team. Now, I will be talking about team Fusion Environment Releases team. Okay. Before that, I will introduce to you this slide. Oracle Fusion Applications product family. See, under Fusion Applications team, Oracle offering different products in the market. One among them is our HCM, Oracle Fusion HCM, Human Capital Management, which is a HR application team. Similarly, under Fusion application team, you have Oracle Fusion Financials, Oracle Fusion CRM, Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management, SCM, Procurement, then PPM. These are the different ERP products that Oracle offering under this Fusion applications team. We are constrained to this one. We will be learning Oracle Fusion HCM, Human Capital Management. It will be catering the HR related solution for the client or the customer who buying the product team. So just to keep informed, what are the other products available under Fusion application? We have Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Oracle Fusion CRM. So this will handle all the financial related activities team. This will handle all supply chain and procurement related activities. And it will handle sales. It will handle projects like that team. Now, before moving on to what are the modules we have in this course or what are the career-wise opportunities we have in the course, I want to introduce to you Fusion Environment Releases team. Let me move to the Excel and explain you. Fusion Environment Releases. means when the Fusion applications introduced in the market, in which year I told you, team? In 2006, Oracle acquired all the existing ERP products. In 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications in the open world, I told you. Correct. In year 2011, when Oracle introduced this product, team, they came up with the version of R1. See, these are software application, team. Every software application will have the software versions, like how in our Android or Apple mobiles, we have, right, Android versions 5.5 to 6.5, then iOS 9.1 to 10.2 or 10.2 to 11.5. How the software is upgrading on a timely manner. The Fusion applications also, as they are a cloud-based application, team, they will be getting upgraded on a kindly manner, team. What is that Fusion upgradation policy? That I want to explain to everyone, because every consultant who learning this technology, that is the most important one everyone should aware of. So in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced this product in the market, team, they came up with release version. Since then, the product got evolved, and now we are in release 13. So the current latest version of the Fusion applications is, team, R13, release 13. So what Oracle did, actually we reached to release 13 in 2018 only, team. In 2018 only we reached to this version. So what Oracle did, going forward, they don't want to change the release version for the Fusion applications, team. They made R13 as a static release, team. This is very important point in the interviews also, in case if anyone asks you. Release 13, Oracle made it as a static version. So going forward, there will be no change in R13. If anyone asks you which version that you learned the course or which version that you worked on, release 13. So some of you might be getting a question by this time. Kumar, you are telling these are new technologies in the market, but you are telling they introduced in 2011. Already they are 12 years old applications? No, team. In 2011, they introduced it. But since 2015 onwards only, and end of 15 and early 2016 onwards only, these applications became more, what would I say, successful in the market. So it took close to 5-6 years for Oracle to penetrate into the market, team. So if anyone asks you, since 2016 and 2015 end, the application adopted by the company started in the market, team. So last 3-4 years, we are seeing very high peak, and even now it's a very high peak adoption in the market for this technology is happening, team, by different companies. So year by year, the demand for these technologies is getting increased. The reason behind that, I told you, Oracle Fusion applications are stable product in all the business area, HCM, finance, supply chain, operations. In all business areas, the application became very stable and very streamlined. That is the reason, team, year by year, we are seeing a very rapid growth by the customer adoption also in the market. So where many employment opportunities are getting created on this technology, as many customers using this technology, team. So since 2018, when it reached to the version of release 13, Oracle made that version as a static version, team. So Fusion applications are release 13. From release 1 to release 9, okay, and close to release 10, team, Oracle applications were available both on on-premise and a cloud option, team. So during this time, whoever the customer bought the Fusion applications, team, Oracle sold the application both on on-premise and cloud model, team. On-premise means the old traditional model deployments also Oracle sold the product. But from release 10 onwards, team, completely Fusion applications are on a cloud-based model. There is no on-premise. Oracle stopped on-premise, team, and completely Fusion applications are in cloud-based technology. Like how I told, if any customer buy the product, they will get delivered with this application like this on a cloud-based deployment team. So that is about from which version to which version, on-premise and cloud available, and from when onwards completely cloud Oracle offering. Now coming to the upgradation policy team. Every year, how many times Oracle provide upgrade to their application team? Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy team. Very important. What is that? Oracle will follow quarterly upgradation policy for their application team. Quarterly means what, team? For every 3 months. In a year, out of 12 months in the year, quarter means what, team? Every 3 months is a quarter. The financial year we will segregate into quarters, right? 4 quarters. First quarter is what, team? Jan to March. Then second quarter, April to June. Then third quarter, July to September. Then October to December. Every year, team, we will have 4 quarters, right? So what Oracle is doing, every year Oracle giving upgradation to their application 4 times. For every quarter once. So 4 upgrades in a year Oracle will give. Kumar, what will happen during this upgrade every time? See, Oracle is a global application team. It's not something like a small or mid-level companies can use this. No, only the big companies can afford this application team. So as such, it's a creamy level application team or a professional application. Oracle investing a lot in their research and development. So what are the issues that reported by the customers every time? What are the bugs they have in the system? What are the errors they have in the system? On a timely manner, Oracle will be fixing them. And to enhance the application, every time Oracle will be adding some new functionalities, new options, new features in the application team. So every quarterly upgrade, for every 3 months, when they are upgrading their application version team, they will come up with some new functionalities, new features, existing issues, fixes that all Oracle will do. Even in our mobile also team, if the software gets upgraded, what will happen, team? Some new features, new functionalities will come, correct? And some old functionalities will be deprecated. Same with the Oracle Fusion applications also, team. When Oracle giving the upgrade, it will be bringing up some new features, new enhancements, new functionalities, and the existing issues, fixes, and all it will do, team. So it's not a phenomenal changes, basic cosmetic level functionalities, everything Oracle will improvise quarterly upgrades, team. So yearly 4 times they will upgrade their application. They will follow quarterly upgradation policy. Now let me log into one of the application team and try to check out the version that what currently the Fusion applications is. I'm trying to log in with one of the application team. Okay, this is the Fusion application. Okay, so let me check out here. I will talk about the introduction to the application, everything in tomorrow's session. So if you once login team, you could able to see here in the about this application, in the right side settings and action team. If you come to about this application, you can see what is the version of the application team currently. See, Oracle Fusion applications. See, this is not our main instance or the training environment team. I have some maintenance activity going on. Hence, I opened some other instance. So the look and feel, it will be a bit different. Here you are seeing it in the blue color background, something, right? But the application will not be like that. It will be in a different way. I will show that in tomorrow's session, team. So basically, I want to show you the current latest version of the Fusion application team. So once we log in, if you come to the right side, settings and action and about this application, you could able to see here, team, Oracle Fusion Cloud Applications, and you could able to see some version number. What is this, team? 23T 11.13.23.10. What is this? And Kumar, you told it's release 13, no? R13, no? See here, it will be in the application development framework. If you see release 13, team, and middleware extension, if you see, team, REL 13. And database compatibility, if you see team, it is release 13. So the version or the latest version as of today, November 29, 2023, the current latest version of the Fusion applications is team release 13, 23D. What is this 23D? I want to debug this one team. What is this 23D? The version currently is release 13.23D. What is this release 13.23D team? See, every year, 4 quarters we have, I told you. And 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application, I was telling team. Each quarter, Oracle designating with an alphabets of A, B, C, and D. So 4 quarters, right? A, B, C, D, alphabets, Oracle will be designating each quarter theme. First quarter as A, second quarter in the year as B, third quarter as C, and fourth quarter as D. Okay, A, B, C, and D. Now team, we are in which month? We are in which month? November month. November is in which quarter team? In the last quarter of this year, we are currently team. So that is why team, you could able to see this as 23D. 23 stands for the current financial year that we are in. D stands for the quarterly release. So we are in the 4th quarterly release of the Fusion applications team, release 13.23D. Previously, it was 23C. And before that, it was 23B and 23A. Next year team, once we enter January 2024, the new upgrade when Oracle given in 2024 team, it will start in the first 3 months, whatever the upgrade we receive, it will be designated as 24A, then 24B, then 24C, then 24D. Take this as granted team. When you are working in the real time also, you should know how this versioning happening team. So the year which we are in, the quarterly release which we are in, that is 23 and D designates team. So they divided each quarter into A, B, C, D, and they will be upgrading the application, the versioning like that. They won't change R13. That will be static. These versionings will be changing for every 3 months when upgradation is coming team. Then let me try to decode this number also team. What is this? Nowhere in the Oracle documentation also you will find this information team. As out of my experience, as you should also know this once you get into the industry, I'm touch basing on all these basics team. Okay. So what is this 11.13.23.10 means? 11 stands for 2011, the year which Oracle introduced this applications team, 2011. 13 stands for release 13, the version of the Fusion application team. Then 23 stands for the current financial year we are in, 2023. Okay. Then what is this 10 stands for? We are in last quarterly release team, 4th quarter in the year team, 23D, correct? In 23D, what is the first month team in the last quarter? What is the first month? What is the first month team in last quarter? October, right? October, right? This is the 10th month. October means 10th month, right? So 10 means that one. So this is the pattern Oracle will follow team. Let's suppose next year, I'm telling now only, if anyone want, you can check it out in the recording. Next quarterly release, when we receive team in the month of January 2024, it will be coming as 24A 11.13.2024, 24.01.0. The next quarterly release will be versioning like this team, 24A, next is 11.13.2024, and in this quarter, what is the first month team? January. So 01.0. The next quarterly release will be like this. So every time Oracle, when they upgrading their application team, it will be following the versioning accordingly team. So every 3 months, Oracle bringing the upgrade. Now, by this time, some of you might be getting a question. Kumar, what will happen every time you are telling some new functionalities will come, new features will come? As a consultant who working in this technology, do I need to update about myself? Technically speaking, every quarterly upgrade, it's not required, team. But once you
Kumar, I have a
start,
doubt. So is that zero going to remain constant every time?
that is constant, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
So team, so every time when the quarterly upgrade is coming, team, once you are in the project in the real time, you will be you will be performing certain activities, team. For every 3 months when the upgradation is happening, Oracle will be sharing us the release notes, team. What is that? Release notes. Like in this quarter, what new features that Oracle bringing? A well documented information Oracle priorly shared to all the customers team who using their product with screenshots, navigations, where the new feature is coming, whether it is impacting to the current functionalities or not. A well documented release notes Oracle will share to all the customers. So when we are in the project team, we will be following the release notes and we will be going through what are the new functionalities coming in this release, and we will share with the client, hey, these are the functionalities coming in this release. If you go with this one, it will be very good feature for our business. Something like that we can discuss with them, we can educate them, we can make them opt in that feature like that, team. And there are certain activities which we have to perform, team. Before upgrade, Oracle will announce a date, like this Saturday, we are going to upgrade the application, like that. So before upgrade, some testings we will do in the system, all the day-to-day transactions, what we doing, we will list out all that and we will do the testings. After upgrade, we will do the testings, whether application working fine after the upgrade or any issues reported, then we have to reach out to the Oracle. It's a process, team, that I will tell you in our workshop session on implementation and support project. In the time of placement activities, I will be sharing the implementation and support overview. Like once you get into the company, what you will be doing in your day-to-day life. If it is an implementation project, what sort of work you will be doing, with whom you will be interacting, client day-to-day, how you will interact, what sort of requirements you will collect, which document you will prepare. That in the workshop session on implementation and support projects, I will talk about these upgradation activities also, team. But as such, we are in the very preliminary understanding, as it's a demo. I want everyone to know what is the upgradation cycle that Oracle following, what happens every time, and what is the versioning sequence that Oracle will follow. This release notes where I can access, Kumar, these are free to everyone, but usually no one knows that. I will introduce in the documentation part in tomorrow's session, team. You can access that release notes from the system directly. So this is about quarterly upgradation policy in the system, team. Now let me move on to the subject. What are the modules we have in this application, team? So the technology by this time we everyone understood: Oracle Fusion, HCM, cloud applications. Now within this technology team or the application divided into two aspects, team. From the point of implementation or from the point of jobs also, the application categorized into functional and technical. And many of you will be having a doubt, what I have to learn to have good demand in this technology, team. So the Fusion application categorized into functional and technical team. So what comes under functional and what comes under technical team? So all the modules, again, our Fusion HCM cloud applications team categorized into different modules in the system. What are their, team? We have the modules like global HR or core HR, team. We will call it as global HR or core HR. Then we have absence management. This is one of the module we have in the system. Then we have payroll module. Payroll module. Team, as I told you, sorry for that, as it's a demo, we will be slightly extending the session today. By 8:30, I will be trying to close the session, team. So it's not repeat from tomorrow because some topics I have to discuss today extra. So I planned it for 1 hour 30-minute session. So please be at the till the end of the session to discuss more info about this team. So we have the modules like core HR, absence management, payroll management, like we have the module by name payroll management, and we have the module like talent management. In talent, we have again sub-modules team like profiles, goals, PM, performance management, succession management, talent review. We have the sub-modules in the talent again team. We have these things. Then we have compensation and benefits module. Actually, these two are two different modules, but usually we will call it as compensation and benefits team, two modules. Then we have the modules like OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then some advanced like help desk and safety also available, but no one will use these modules in real time. But we have in the system, I have to tell you. So these are the different modules we have in the Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. A part of these modules, we have some other concepts also team, like security administration. I'm listing out all the course components team. In this technology, what all are there? After this, I will tell you what we are covering as part of the training, what you require to start the career, not only starting the career, to sustain in the career for a long time. How many components you have to learn, because everyone don't know all the things team, and not required also. How many components we have to be targeting, that all I will tell you now in next 5 minutes. So we have security administration, a concept called. Then we have workflows and approvals team. And we have something like Sandbox or HCM Design Studio. This is also part of Sandbox only team. HCM Design Studio. Okay. Then we have the components like inbound integrations team. In this inbound integrations, we have the tools like HDL, like HCM Data Loader and Spreadsheet Data Loader. We have the tools like this, two tools available here, team, Spreadsheet. Then we have outbound integration. Then we have here the tools like BI reports, BI publisher reports, OTBI reports, then HCM extracts. Okay. And then team, we have the components like fast formula. Okay. So these are the components all together we have in the Fusion application team. So what comes under functional and what comes under technical, first of all, I will tell you team. See, all the modules in the system comes under functional side of the application team. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation, benefits, OTL, ORC, OLC, all these comes under team, the functional side of the application. And even the security administration, workflows, and sandbox. Even these three concepts also, if you ask me personally, I will tell these also comes under functional side only team. But as part of the training in the industry, like we and my competitors who are there, for their training purpose team, they covering these components in technical trainings. But to be frank team, even these components also comes under functional side of the application only. Okay. core technical components in Fusion applications are these two. And even fast formulas also, it is slightly technical and usually functional people only will handle that also team. Pure technical in Fusion applications is only these things. Inbound integration and outbound integrations team. These two are purely technical components in the Fusion application. That's all team. Okay, so what we will be doing in all these functional and technical team? See, we have a module like core HR or global HR team. In this module, we are going to configure our clients, organizations, work structures. Basically, employee management will handle in this module team, like hiring of an employee, maintaining of that employee record, their transfers, their promotions, their demotions, their terminations, everything will handle. Employee management will handle in core HR module team. In absence module, it is a leave management module. Like what type of leaves that company providing to their employees, what are their calculations, what are their rules, logics, entire leave management team. Employee can able to apply the leave in the system. That all will handle in the absence management module. Then we have payroll management team. In payroll module, it's a salary management. Every month we have to pay salaries to the employee. So in payroll module, that all salary management will be taken care. In talent team, every year performance appraisals should be given. Employees will be evaluated by the HRs and manager, and they will be promoted or demoted will be decided. That employee performance evaluations, everything will handle in talent management team. Then we have compensation and benefits. On top of payroll, any compensation that you want to give to the employees team, like it might be bonus, it might be overtime payments, or it might be stocks or shares you want to allocate to the employees. That all will be handled in compensation module. Then benefits module. In some countries team, employees will be enrolled with some insurance plans and all. That all will handle in benefits module team. Then OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. See, you might be hearing there in IT companies, we have to swipe our card and we have to enter into the company where the time will record when you enter into the office, when you out from the office, or punch in, punch out, biometric, or filling up the timesheet. Employee time management in the organization, their attendance records, everything will be maintained in OTL team, Oracle Time and Labor module. Then we have ORC module, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. See, when it comes to recruitment team, first business will identify how many people require in their business. Then they will reach to HR team. HR people will post that requirements in all the job portals from the company side. They will conduct the drives. They will conduct the interviews, and they will select the candidates. They will release the offers. That all will handle in this ORC module team, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Priorly team or clients used to use Oracle Taleo for all their recruiting activities. This is one of the recruiting tool which is offered by Oracle only. Priorly, clients or the customers in the market used to use Taleo and integrate with Fusion system team. But Oracle is in a plan to replace Taleo with their one of the module in HCM only called Oracle Recruiting Cloud. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. What is this module will do, team? See, if you have any experience joining in any company, usually companies will ask you initially to complete the mandatory trainings. Some video recordings, trainings they will share with you to complete. Then and there they will conduct some exams and then you have to clear them like that, team. So for employees to conduct any trainings in the organization, okay, to conduct the exams to the employees, that all, this Oracle Learning Cloud module will helpful team. Help desk and safety is an internal ticketing tool team. Like any service request employees have to raise with the concerned HR team or the concerned management team. It's a service request tool that all ticketing things can be handled in help desk and safety team. So these all are the total modules that what we will do in each of them at high level team. Then coming to the security administration. When we hire an employee in the organization team, like when the employee is being hired in the system, how the user accounts for that employee will be created, what access to the functionalities in the system the employee should get, that all we will handle in security administration team. Then we have workflows and approval concept. Like in every organization team, if a transaction is being performed in the system for any employee, it should send for the approval. For example, today my employee applying the leave, it should go for concerned manager approval team. That all approval managements we will perform in this concept of workflows and approval. Then we have sandbox team, nothing but any customization or personalization if you want to do in the system. Like my client is telling Kumar, I don't want this background color of blue color, change it to some other theme. Then these icons, I want to be going with some other options. I don't want these icons. The color should be changed. So any customization or personalization, here I want my logo, not Oracle logo. Something like that. If any customizations, if your client asking team, through sandbox we can do, that will serve that purpose. Then coming to the technical components team, inbound and outbound. Inbound integration means any data that you want to bulk upload into the system. Like when we go for an implementation team, our client might be using some existing application by that time. Okay, for example, in 2023 November, we got the project from Reliance Industries team. But till this time, Reliance might be using SAP or some other third-party HR tool. And Reliance is having 20,000 employees data. We have to migrate it to Fusion. How that will be happen, team? Anything that you want to bulk upload or migrate into the Fusion application team, Oracle given two data migration tools, HCM data loader, spreadsheet data loader team. By using them, you can able to upload the data. So that data conversion or data migration we will do here. Then outbound integration team. Like once our clients start using the application, from different modules, client will ask different reports team. Kumar, I want a report in the month of November, how many employees we hired. Or in the month of November, how many employees applied annual leave, how many employees applied casual leave, or what is the salaries that we paid in the month of October. Can you get me the report? So we have three reporting tools available team called BI reports, business intelligence report, OTBI reports, and HCM extract reports. Three reporting tools Oracle given within the system for extracting the reports from different modules team. So that are outbound team. Then within absence, within payroll compensation modules team, certain calculational rules, logics, or the validations we have to write team. For that, we have a concept called FAST formula. So in order to maintain different calculational rules, validations team, FAST formula concept is there. So these are the total concepts. Not even a single thing I missed out team. Everything within the HCM cloud applications, what we have, we listed out team. Now here, the most important question. To work on any of these, the coding concept, do I require any coding? Do I have to write anywhere any code in the system? Nothing. Application is readily delivered by Oracle. What you will do? Just you will use the application for configuring the client's data into the system team. So I came here, I clicked on some functionality and the screen is getting loaded. So I don't need to write any code for executing any of the functionalities in the system team. So nowhere in the application, the coding is required to handle things. Except in this outbound integration part, we have something called BIP reports, right team? In this BIP reports team, SQL is required. SQL only. It is not a code. It's a language team, SQL. Only in the BIP part. But even if you are not familiar with SQL, fair enough team, we will not keep this component in our resume. Why? Because team, none of the people working on this technology will have the knowledge on all these aspects. How many components we have to learn to start the career in this technology, or to sustain also, not for entry, even to sustain also. How many team? At least 3 to 4 modules. whatever I'm highlighting team, like core HR, absence, payroll, talent, or your choice. Either you can learn talent or you can learn compensation team, or talent or OTL, anything. But these three modules, keep it mandatorily. Any client that is going to use Fusion application, these three modules mandatorily they will use team. So on top of these three, you can pick up any other module, at least 4 modules from the functional side. And these concepts, security, workflow, sandbox. Okay, at least 4 modules on the functional side, including these concepts. And if you want to go with core functional team, these are sufficient. Anything else is not required. If you want to go with core technical team, then you have to learn these aspects. But there is one more profile and moreover team from the point of job rules. Once you learn this technology, what sort of rules you will be having in the industry. See, once you learn this, you will be hired in these positions team. Oracle, Fusion, HCM, okay, HCM, functional consultant, or Oracle Fusion technical consultant, or the most demanded one, Oracle Fusion techno-functional consultant. So these are the roles that you will be having team. In some companies, they will call it as consultant. In some companies, they might call it as associate, analyst, different names. But these are the types of roles that you will be hired once you learn this technology team. Functional consultant means a person who will work only on the functional side of the application. Whatever the modules that are highlighted, if you learn these, they are sufficient team. Anything else is not required. Technical consultant means the person who work only on these technical components team. Inbound integration, outbound integration, the data migration tools and the reporting tools. That is core technical consultant team. But the market mostly looks for techno-functional consultant. Rather taking 2 people in the project, if I take one employee who knows both, that will be a cost saving to the company, right? So techno-functional consultants will have more demanding. But as of now, if you ask me, clear-cut requirement is there. Companies will recruit functional consultants, will recruit technical consultant, and will recruit techno-functional consultants also team. Techno-functional means whatever the modules that are highlighted, 4 modules here, 3 concepts along with that. And in technical side, you can keep at least inbound integration and your OTBI and extracts thing. As we don't know SQL, you can skip this one. It is not mandatory. Even then, you can call your profile as a techno-functional consultant. Some from functional, some from technical, you are including team. Even then, you can call as techno-functional. So here, the high recruitment will happen here, team. Then next, second will be here, and third will be here. In a project, if you see team, if 10 people working in the project, if you take any project that you got into real time, in a project, if 10 employees are working team, out of that, 7 resources will be functional side. 3 resources will be technical side. Now you can understand which is of high demand, the projects. So in a project, let's suppose 10 employees are working means 7 resources will be functional resources, 3 resources will be technical resources team. So if you are a core functional consultant, then also you will have very high openings in the market. Techno-functional consultant, then you have good openings in the market. If you are technical consultant, only these components if you learn, then it's a bit difficult because only technical scope in Fusion applications is very limited. Prior to Fusion, in e-business suite, technical people used to have higher role. But in Fusion applications, even a functional guy can handle the technical stuff also. That is why only technical consultant role is getting limited in the Fusion applications team. So once or when you are planning to prepare for this Oracle HCM Cloud Applications team to start your career, my suggestion team, either go with purely functional consultant or go with techno-functional consultant team so that you will get very good calls in the market. So these are the roles that you will be working in the project team. So what sort of demand is there for this technology? And what is the salary packages that having in this technology? So basically, team, we have seen in the market currently, as of today, if you ask me, for freshers and as well as for experienced, the recruitment is going for both the cases, team. Even the companies recruiting freshers as well as experienced also. So freshers are being recruited somewhere between 4.5 LPA to 6 LPA. Also, there are cases which we have seen, team. And experienced people, when I say experienced, if 3 to 4 years of relevant experience, if you have, team, then there are cases where people drawing somewhere between 15 LPA to 20 LPA also, and more than that also in exceptional cases we are seeing, team. So this is about the salary ranges in the market for this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud applications we have. And we have very good calls in the market because the ERP applications, as I told you, are the basic software applications used to run the business. Okay. That is why we don't have any impact of recession or anything to this product team. Where everywhere the market is volatile and where market is little bit of dry, we don't find any kind of dryness in the recruitment of ERP applications team. Because in order to run the business, these applications are required. If there is no tool like this one, how can they operate their HR activities? How can they operate their finance activities in the company? To run the business, these applications are required. That is the reason, team. Usually, there will be no demand fluctuations, nothing will be there. Every time they will be going up on a moderate level like that. And moreover, we have very good calls in the market for this. You have to plan accordingly. If you are a fresher, then you can't do anything. You have to start as a fresher. You even have the calls for freshers team. If you are an experienced person coming from non-IT to IT, even then team, as some of you already contacted me and I explained the path, how you have to follow in case of that one kind of experience updating into this fusion, and you have to showcase in the profile that all, then you can be landing upon the average salaries of this. Kumar, you told that average package is this much, but in the market, this much of package is not offered. It's all depend upon your performance in the interview team. If you are not that skillful, companies, why they will offer? The average market packages are mentioning here, team. Absolutely, it should be equally our efforts also to be needed, team. So if you prepare well, like whatever the training that I am providing, exactly if you follow the 1 second, team, let me keep in mute. I will take the questions in next 5 minutes, team. So if you follow exactly whatever the program that we are offering here, and if you prepare well, then you will be in a situation to crack the interviews and you can able to get the packages that what I am mentioning, team. And career wise also, if you see, team, usually technologies that in the market, if you see any other technologies team, you will be starting as a associate or analyst and you will end up with till senior associate or senior analyst, the career path if you see. But in this ERP applications team, your growth, if you see over the span of years, you will be having the chances of reaching out to the director level. You will start as a consultant, then you will move to senior consultant, then you will move to principal consultant, then solution architect, then you will be moving as project manager and director for that ERP application. So the career wise path, if you see down the line next 10-15 years where I have to be in this IT industry, these technologies will have that phenomenal growth also, team. Unlike other tools, any other things, if you see, you will be one among them. You will be retiring as a senior consultant only. You won't have a long career growth in the companies. But if you have the potential to prove in these technologies, the growth wise for next 10-15 years, if you see, you will be entering into the more heights in the company team. And moreover, these applications will have a very long shelf life. When I use a word shelf life, means long term, these technologies are going to be there in the market. You take an example, Oracle's existing product e-business suite. It launched somewhere in 1985 or sometime team. Even then till today, more than 35 years close to, or 25, 30 years team. Still EBS application is there. People working in that technology still retiring from that technology team. Same goes with SAP also. SAP also be introduced somewhere in 80s or 90s. Even now, people working on that technology. So planning a career in ERPs will give you a very long perspective career. It's not something like every 2 years, 3 years, I have to again check for new technology. I have to move to new trainings and I have to be again searching for a job. Nothing like that. Because companies who buying the products, investing a lot in this technologies thing, it costs in a crores or in lakhs and crores. So they won't be switching them frequently. So you don't have any such impact with respective to the job also team. Long shelf life, long lasting career will be there in this technologies team. Now, before taking up the questions, I want to share with you the course offerings team, like what all are the modules that we are going to cover as part of this training and what is the training program. As today we have the demo, from tomorrow we are going to start with regular sessions team. I will be introducing to the application, how to log in into the system, what sort of functionalities, basic functionalities we have to discuss, that and certification process, materials where we can access that Oracle delivery. That all I will take up in tomorrow's session team. In this program, we are going to cover the modules like core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. These 5 modules, then security, workflows and approvals, sandbox, inbound integration like HDL and spreadsheet, outbound integrations, BI, OTBI, extracts, and fast formula. So all these components will be covered in this part of in this training program team. And coming to the training course features, if you could see here, okay. So these are the training program details team. The duration of the program will be 2.5 plus, close to 3 months duration. It will be 85 plus to 90 plus hours of duration. It will be team covering up all the modules that what I mentioned. And timings every day, Monday to Friday, morning 7 to 8 a.m. As such, it's a demo today. We extended half an hour team, but every day the timings will be 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. And what you will be getting in this program means everyday live training and lifetime access to the video recordings team. Like when I say lifetime access to video recordings, once you get enrolled team, you will be given with the login access in our website. Once you go to the website team, if you go to login, you can able to log in with your credentials here team. You can pass your user ID and password. Okay. You can pass your user ID and password and you can able to log in into your LMS dashboard team. So here you can see in the enrolled courses, your course will be available. So every day, all the sessions day by day, it will be enrolled here team. You can watch the sessions here. You can give the password that will be shared to you after the enrollment and all the sessions will be uploaded team. And this LMS access will be given to you for lifetime. Once you get the access after the enrollment team, you can able to reset the password. It will be for lifetime access to the recordings. And you will be getting access to instance for 5 months for practicing the application team, because we are going to give you the assignments for every module where you can hands-on practice. That will be for 5 months will be given. When I say private and public cloud team, there are differences in this. Usually institutes will provide you the demo instances every 3 days or every 4 days. The application will get refreshed team. Whatever the data you configured will be refreshed from the system. So we will be providing a private server instance. We have our own private server. Entire 5 months you can practice end-to-end full project implementation you can do in that. So that private instance will be given to you for 5 months. And for every module, we will be providing you the student manuals team. It's not Oracle delivered material, which customly we prepared. Let's suppose this is the sample for core HR module team. So what are all the concepts we have with explanation and with screenshots and navigation team, how to perform that setup or configuration. So it's a 120 or 130 page document for core HR alone. Like that, for every module, we are going to share you the student manual books as well, where you can practice them and you can have the hands-on understanding team. Coming to the placement side assistance, you will be getting everyday one-to-one doubts assistance also. We have our dedicated WhatsApp support. You can directly reach out to that. Team will be available and I am also be available team. If anyone want to reach out to me directly, you can come to the institute also directly. 10 to 6, I will be in the office every day. You can come and you can meet me and you can discuss your doubts or anything you have. One-to-one doubts assistance will be there team. And real-time project assignments. For every module, we are going to provide you the real-time requirements and we will ask you to configure in the system. So that will give you the hands-on experience to your team. Why? Because some of you trying to keep the experience and you're planning to switch, right? So by the time you complete the training, we can assure you that in the real-time market, if a person who really worked for 4 to 5 years of experience, if they have, what level of knowledge they have in the subject, we will be trying to take you to that extent team. So the real-time projects assignments will give you that ample understanding in and out about the application team. Then our team will help you out with the resume preparation. Like we will be providing you the sample resume dumps and we will also help you to prepare the resume if it is a fresher or experienced, how to apply in the portals, etc. like that team. And for every module, we're going to share the interview question and answers team. So personally, I will take the sessions on this in the time of placement workshops team. Like I will discuss with you all the interview question and answers for each module. And we will share the materials also for that, where freshers and experienced scenario-based interview questions with answers will be given to you team. And every Saturday, we will be having the mock interviews happening team, both physically at the office and you can even connect through online also team. You can book your slot so that we can able to conduct the mock interviews, and these mock interviews will be conducted either by me or some of my colleagues who are in the industry currently working in this technology. They will be taking up the mocks team. And we do also have a referral program where we can share the profiles to the companies. So basically, HRs from the organizations will reach out to me. Kumar, I want like fresher profiles on this HCM, or I want 3 years experience or 4 years experience in profile. So once the mock interview is completed team, I will be sharing the profiles to the companies also for the interviews to get scheduled. And any freelancing works we get, then we will be mapping to you. So this is about course features and placement assistance that you will be getting as part of this training team. So moving on team, you can see some of the students of our institute who placed recently in the organizations team, like in Deloitte, Accenture, Evosys, which is a Oracle partnered company team, and Apps Associate from Hyderabad, EY. And there are freshers who recently joined in DriveStream Chennai team, like close to 6 people in the last couple of months. We placed them in the fresher recruitment also. And you can even find here some of the students' genuine Google feedback. You can directly go to Google and you can search team, Triotech software trainings. So we will be available on the Google, and you can even find these reviews that what from the recent completed batches, the last month completed batches students who given the reviews team. So you can find out some of them here. And some of the students who got placed in the the recent batches. So we have a person from US also who placed in Deloitte with 123K package with 7 years experience team. That person message you could able to see over here. So this is just for kind of information purpose team. So that is about the demo that which I planned out, and people who interested to continue in this program. So you can reach out to us team. So our team already reaching out in the chat with you, like the Google form are already been shared. Okay. So you can fill your details over there, team. So I will be taking the sessions, question and answers now. Before that, let me stop the recording and I want to show you the